Hello, this is Samakacharya, and this is about using different AI tools, and it's just a brief introduction. Okay, let's start. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, is a technology that enables computers and machines to emulate human learning, comprehension, problem solving, and decision making, along with creativity and autonomy. Here on the right is the history of AI. I did not know that AI goes back decades to the 1950s, which you can see here in the darker blue area. I'll let you stay here and read briefly. Okay, let's move on. These are the different AI tools that are popular that I have accounts with. I have accounts with ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot, Meta AI, and Google Gemini. ChatGPT through an account through OpenAI, and I have an account with Microsoft Copilot through my Microsoft account, Google Gemini through my Google account, and Meta AI with my Facebook and Instagram accounts. What is Microsoft Copilot? It is a large language model based on OpenAI's ChatGPT 4. Microsoft 365 Copilot is the most recent version of Microsoft Copilot. It integrates with other Microsoft 365 products like Word and Excel. And there's a paid version of Microsoft Copilot called Copilot Pro. And this is the source of Microsoft Copilot's power from ChatGPT. It is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It interacts in a conversational way, like having a conversation with another human being. If that person wants to get more information, they can ask further questions to get clear information and give you the accurate information to the best of their ability. Just like when I ask someone to give me the answer to my question based on the further information I give them. The most recent version is ChatGPT 4.0 as of this recording. There is a paid version of this subscription, which I will demonstrate at a later time. Google Gemini. It is a large language model developed by Google. It analyzes information from different input sources like YouTube videos or Google Maps. It is based on Flash, Gemini 1.5 Flash, which is the most recent. 2.0 is on the way. There's a paid version of this application called Gemini Advanced. Meta AI. It is a large language model developed by Meta, formerly known as Facebook, based on the Llama generative AI model, which it is used to generate human-like text, answer questions, write and hold conversations, like the other AI models mentioned up to this point. And Llama 3.2 is the most recent version of this large language model. And with Meta AI, you can sign in with your Facebook or Instagram accounts to use it. Or you can use it without those, but it's best if you use it with either your Facebook or Instagram accounts. Things to consider when using the application. How reliable is the information that you're getting from these AI models? Does the information make sense? What is the primary source of this information that these AI models are giving you? And which leads into, is the source itself credible? And the reason I have included Bing and Google is just like when you do a Google search, you also have to use the same similar set of thinking and logic to understand the information given to you. Class and homework. You can use it to transcribe your notes and audio recording, especially audio recordings of your class lecture notes. Chatbot creating blueprints, like you can ask these AI models to create blueprints for you based on your prompts that you give to them. They can be as simple as generating an image of an oil painting of Venice, or as complex as you want, based on the further information you give to the AI model. And the complexity can be like creating an R script to analyze data, to speed up your R scripting abilities for data analysis and visualization. Request these robot chatbots to provide an explanation and references on how they go about coming to this conclusion. And yes, this more comes back to this creativity, like as I mentioned with research and the idea generation for further research, and this can also be used for artistic purposes. Save the conversation as a reference for future references, so that you can come back to it and save it, so that you do not be seen as a person who had cheated. This way you can keep it as a reference, and you can cite it at your other works to avoid plagiarism. These are all my references that I used to create this presentation. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications. See you next time on Shamak's Educational Universe.